All right, we are now at the Villa La Estancia. As our fam let us know. We are gonna go inside and video this for you, for everybody that wanna see. There, sister-in-law, open it up for us.
The gate to the entryway.
So nice and helpful. All right, we got entry. And keep in mind, we're still at Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And we're going in. So just bear with us, everybody. And, oh, wow. Okay. First impressions.
Wow factor.
There you have it. Okay. So first, let's just give a quick run around. And we'll start in here in the kitchen. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so it has a kitchen inside this suite. There's a full-size kitchen. You have here your working stove, obviously electric. Also, you have microwave. Wow, blender, toaster, coffee maker, can opener. You even have a knife cutting board. You got dishware, plates, glasses, sink. Let's not forget the dishwasher. And not only the fridge, but look at this full size. You have a towel washer and dryer with a sink inside as well. So really nice, put together real well, very clean. And there, now you have dining room for 4. And we'll just turn to the quick left. We'll just check in the bathroom just briefly. But nice size bathroom. Towels. You have a shower. Frosted glass, by the way. Really nice. And this is one of 2 bathrooms, just to let you know. But you also have, hey everybody out there, you have the bar area set up. And then you have a huge living room. Huge living room, sofa, chairs, seating for possibly 5 to 6 guests, maybe even 7. And the patio furniture came in, as LJ was so happy to let us know, because of the storm out here today, but just being safe. But huge, 60, 70 something inch TV on the wall, but ample space. And then there's the balcony. Now, because it's dark, we really won't be able to see a whole lot. But what we'll do is we'll come back again in the morning or in light, and we'll let you see what the balcony looks like. Well, maybe we can still check it out. We're gonna give it a once over. We turned on some lights. And if everybody just give me a second to see if I can, oh man, okay. Wait a second, this is huge. This is huge. This balcony is huge. And I'm literally still walking to touch the wall, but coming all the way back to the other side. As you can see, LJ, this balcony is huge. And you have a beautiful view of the ocean.
Oh, you can enter from either.
And just to let you know, well, we don't want to forget our little friend, the gecko up there hanging up on the wall.
Yeah, I
So
see
he's
it.
having a nice little time.
I see one going through the bedroom.
So we'll go in through this room here. And lo and behold, off of the balcony, you walk into a huge bedroom. TV, king size bed, couch for getting dressed, and yeah, you have your plugs, and then the ensuite bathroom with a jacuzzi inside, you also have the double sinks, his and hers. You have obviously a bathroom and a nice stand-up shower.
And this is all closed.
And you can basically fit maybe 2 people in there if you like. But you have a whole lot of closet space to go with everything.
Quickly as
Really
to
nice.
expose everything.
As LJ is trying to
Yes.
let us see, nice,
How
even a
much space
safe
it is, yes.
inside that can possibly hold even a laptop as well. So if you want to bring that with you, you have space for that as well. But beautiful room, beautiful suite, ceiling fan, everything you possibly imagine or may want to have in a suite. So yes, again, for everybody that may not know or want to know, it's the La Estancia in Puerto Vallarta. So just give you a quick once around, once again, the size of this room, and then just give you a quick flash again, the size of the master suite, and let's not forget a full-size kitchen
Yes.
to go with it.
Functional.
So yeah,
Very nice.
we'll let you know some more of the deets later. All right. Until
Night.
then.